Om Shanti. Thank you, Sashiben. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Greetings of Raksha Bandhan to my divine brothers and sisters. Raksha Bandhan reminds us of sweet bond of protection. Raksha Bandhan is a sweet bond of love, is a sweet bond of purity. And I see all of you, you have made time on this auspicious day to experience the power of silence. When I sit in silence, I feel myself very fortunate because it's the power of silence which can heal us. Wherever you go, maybe you are in very quiet place, or you go to the wonderful beach, or you go into the jungle, far away from civilization, even though you will hear some sound. If not outside, lots of sound is going on here inside. This machine is going on and on and on, non-stop. When we are in the world of sound, we even don't know, we don't aware that how much noise we are generating. That's the way of life today. I think we must have experience, all of us that experience, sometimes when we go to bed at night, we lay down, we close our eyes, we want to take rest, but mind revisits what has happened the whole day. Do you have that experience?
Yes.
So today what has happened, or yesterday or week ago, something is not very good, not very pleasant, something is not very fair according to me, is being replayed again and again and again. We fail to find the break. Where do we reach? We create wound inside and we live in the pain. The question is, should we continue our life that way? Or is any solution? One lady was telling me about her ring. In the very beginning, it was marriage, it was engagement ring. And then it became marriage ring. After that, it became suffering. And then enduring. That's the life. Is it right? Human beings' life is like that. When we say human being, a living being is in the human body. We have forgotten that in human being there is a very, very special power, creative power, which we possess. What is that power? Power of creativity. Nowadays we give so much importance to the creativity, right? People are paid so much because they are creative, innovative. So each and every one of us is very creative. What do we create, that is different thing. Good or bad, that is different thing. One sister came and said, I feel empty, I am nothing. My husband is very smart, but I am nothing. I said, why you think that? No, I don't think, but everybody is thinking. I said, these words, they have said to you? I said, no, but I think they feel that. You think you are empty, useless, that's your creation. So you are also creative. I am not creative, my husband is very creative. No, you are also creative. But what do you create? We all know. Negative things, negative feelings. We are creating here, generating. So all have that Shakti, strength to create. We are wonderful souls. Sometimes we forget. So thoughts constantly we create. Thought is said to be one of the greatest energy resources of the world. It is my choice. What do I think? What do I create? Life is a series of choices. Every moment I am free to choose. I can choose negative or I can choose positive. It is up to me. Each thought is creating my life. What I have today, I am today. What things I have today, what type of life I am spending today, what I am getting from the world today, what in essence, what is my life today? It is my thoughts that have made my life. One very great philosopher, Marcus Aurelius, he has said, life is what our thoughts make out of it. It's me. Each thought can be worth of thousands dollars. Should we not pay attention while spending? How many thoughts do we create in a day? 40 to 50,000, right? Sometimes it may be more when I go in negativity. So this machine goes so fast, going on and on and on. Now we know that who is the creator of this machine? Who can determine its quality? Who can determine its speed? I am the one. I am in charge of this particular machine. So after knowing this, I should be very sensible how to use this machine inside. Sometimes this machine is being taken over. I see something, I become negative, I react. Or is not necessary present time, it can be past. I am very happy sitting with everyone, but I remember something past which is not very pleasant. I become sad. My mind becomes bad. So to whom should we blame? We blame others, but the fact is, who is the creator of that feelings, of that emotions is me. So this type of wounds we have inside. Time to time they pop up. And we are the masters. We are in charge. So we need to sit in silence. When I sit in silence, then clear picture comes in front of me. I can sort out the things. So present, right now, what I am is, if I have not cleared my past, then present time, whatever is providing, I can't enjoy. So I need to clear my past. Then only what present is providing me, I can enjoy that. We have heard that past is waste paper and present is newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper, what do we call? Waste paper. So past is waste paper, present is newspaper, and future is question paper. So read, write carefully, otherwise life will be tissue paper. Tissue paper means no value. We throw into garbage. So if inside I don't value myself, I don't feel great, then life will be like a tissue paper. So I need wisdom to enjoy my present. Present is providing so many good things. We have valleys, oceans, garden, fruits. Make time to enjoy your present. Clean your past wounds, heal them, and then you can enjoy present time. One very young boy was going every day in front of God and saying, तकदीर है, किस्मत नहीं खुलती. तकदीर है, किस्मत नहीं खुलती. Means fate is there, destiny is not opening. So God is very compassionate. He said, Tathastu. He says, I want to make a महल, मुमताज नहीं मिलती. I want to build a palace, but I am not getting any beautiful wife. God said, Tathastu. And then again he came to temple in front of God, says, तकदीर है, किस्मत नहीं खुलती. भाई क्या हुआ? मुमताज मिल गई है, शादी नहीं करती. God said, okay, you will get that. Tathastu. Again next day he was crying, तकदीर है, किस्मत नहीं खुलती, मुमताज मिल गई है, शादी नहीं करती. God said, okay. And then next day again he came. God asked him, now are you happy? He says, मैं ताजमहल बनाना चाहता हूँ, मुमताज नहीं मरती. आगे का मत पूछना, मर ही जाएगी तब तो फिर सैड रहेगा ही रहेगा. आगे का मत पूछना. So how we see the next? What next? What next? Present is providing you, enjoy. I need wisdom to enjoy. फिर जब वो जी लो उसके साथ, फिर बाद में ताजमहल भी बना लेना. So how we lead our life for next? We are preparing our life, just preparing our life, not living our life. like you are preparing lunch and thinking what next for the dinner. Oh, you have cooked lunch, enjoy, sit and enjoy, and then think what should be in the dinner. So, how we are spending our life? Say wow from the heart. Whatever scene is coming, say wow, wow, and enjoy. Rabindranath Tagore, when he would see 2 drops of water on the lotus leaf, he becomes so happy, would write a poem on that. Wow! He writes the poem on that. Other one, seeing the Niagara Falls and becomes angry. Why God is wasting water so much? In my village, there is no water to drink even. God is not fair. Those who are negative, they can find wrong in anyone, in anything. Even water, cooling, soothing water cannot satisfy the man. So whatever scene is coming, just say wow, wow. Sunset, seeing the sunset, say wow, beautiful. Sun rises, seeing the sun rising, say wow, beautiful. It should not be like a sunset, then say, oh no, I like to see sunrise. And there is the sunrise, and you say, oh no, I want to see sunset. What's that? Yeah, some people are like that. In summer, they say, I love winter.